In this video, you are going to see the charging time taken to charge this Vivo V30e smartphone from 0% to 100%. In the box, you get this 44 watts charger that I'm going to use to charge this mobile. This mobile comes with a huge 5500 mAh capacity battery. I'm doing this test in switch off condition. I don't know why, but if you charge Vivo mobiles at 0%, it automatically turns on. So again, I switched off this mobile to continue this test. Let's check after every 10 minutes how much it is charged. I already posted a dedicated videos about this Vivo V30e smartphone on this channel. If you missed any of the videos, don't worry. All the video links are in the description box. Feel free to check. This Vivo V30e smartphone was released recently and there is a good hype is there for this mobile under 30,000 rupees price range. Anyway, I post a dedicated full review of this mobile to know whether it is worth or not for 30,000 rupees price range. Now we completed the 10 minutes mark and the battery is 12% now. Let's check after 20 minutes. This Vivo V30e mobile comes with a 6.7-inch AMOLED panel. This is a curved screen where it goes up to a peak of 1300 nits of brightness. The display is absolutely good on this mobile for the money that you are paying. Now we completed the 20 minutes mark and the battery percentage is 27. If you compare it with 10 minutes mark, it is more than that. After 10 minutes, it charged 12% and after 20 minutes, it is charged 27%. This Vivo V30e mobile is supported for IP64 dust and water resistance, which is good for this price range. I know everyone wants all the specifications, but they won't use it. This happens in everything, not only in tech gadgets. Even mobile companies are also focusing on this where they are introducing all-rounder mobiles instead of segment-oriented mobiles. Like if you observe, there are barely any gaming mobiles nowadays. Now we completed the 30 minutes mark. Coming to the battery, it is 41%. If you observe, after every 10 minutes, the battery charging speed is increasing. This is going to happen in every single piece of mobile. That's why most of the brands showcase that a particular mobile is going to charge a specific percentage in 30 minutes. It's all about advertising. If you observe, no mobile brand will tell how much time it takes to charge 100% completely from 0%. They usually say this many minutes of charging is equals to 1 day of usage, or this many minutes of charging is equals to this much percentage of battery. Now we completed the 40 minutes mark. Coming to the battery, it's 54%. If you observe from start to now, the battery charged fastly up to 30 minutes. After that, slowly it decreased. There are so many factors that affect the charging rapidly on any piece of smartphone. Because if a mobile is charging fastly, that leads to damage of internal components by heating a lot. So mobile brands mostly use thermal sensors to optimize the charging based on the temperatures it is reaching. That is why for 30 minutes, most of the mobile charges the same as the number that they told. But after 30 minutes, it changes a lot for every single piece. If in case the ambient temperature in your locality is high, then you notice a tremendous change in charging time. Now we crossed the 50 minutes mark. Coming to the battery, it's 67%. This charging pattern goes up and down in the entire process because it needs to maintain optimal temperature to charge the mobile rapidly. According to my guess, now after 10 more minutes, it is going to charge even faster than the previous. Let's see. This Vivo V30e smartphone comes with a Snapdragon 6th Gen 1 4nm build chipset. This chipset is good for handling all everyday tasks and also gaming. I already posted some dedicated videos about this Vivo V30e smartphone already in this channel. If you're watching only this video, then you're missing a lot information about this mobile. Check the description box for the video links that I am talking about. Now we crossed the 1 hour 2 minutes mark and come to the battery percentage, it's 82 now. So I told earlier after 10 minutes it is charging rapidly, but not after this, because every mobile after 80 to 85% charges slowly. Even I also don't recommend charging mobile completely 100% on every single charge, because it decreases the lifespan of the battery. 80 to 85% is the sweet spot for some mobiles, and for others it's 80 to 90%, but don't cross 90%. Now we completed the 1 hour 10 minutes mark. Coming to the battery, it is 89%. Vivo mobiles mainly focus on the camera segment apart from all. Even the advertisements are mainly focused on cameras like photos, videos and some special effects. This mobile is equipped with two cameras on the back and a single selfie camera on the front. You can record videos maximum at 4K 30 FPS by using the front and back cameras only if it is an Indian variant. If in case it is not, you can shoot in 1080p 30 FPS with the front facing camera and 4K 30 FPS with the back camera. Yes, there are so many options available in this Vivo V30e mobile when it comes to camera department. Now we completed 1 hour 20 minutes mark. Coming to the battery, it's 97%. This is so surprising for me. With just a 44 watts charger, that to 5500 mAh battery, it is charging this much faster. What if it is supported for 100 watts? There is no wireless charging technology available on this mobile, but you can charge another device with the help of wire. If in case they added the wireless technology, it is a killer deal for this price, because people who are using mobiles in between 30 to 40,000 rupees, they are using the true wireless earphones. So most of the TWS are supported for wireless charging technology. So it is helpful to charge those if this mobile is supported for reverse wireless charging. But anyway, they gave one more option to charge with wire. But the problem is they provided type A to type C cable in the box. So if in case you want to charge any TWS earphones that have type C, either you need type C to type C cable or a converter that converts type A to type C. Alright, after 1 hour 23 minutes, this mobile charged 100% completely. So on average, between 1 hour 20 to 1 hour 25 minutes, this Vivo V30e mobile charges this 5500 mAh battery. If you want to know more information about this Vivo V30e mobile, click these videos. This is my recently uploaded video, and below that is the video that YouTube is recommending most of the people are watching on this channel.